months. People who don't know me, I saw them.
8 मिनट की वीडियो है जिसको मैंने थोड़ा तेज कर रखा है ऑलरेडी, तो लेट्स सी कि क्या होता है। ठीक है,
For a long time, I didn't know if I should make this video or not. Because honestly, once the
यू शुड, बिकॉज कम बैक तो करना होगा, काम तो करोगे तभी ना आगे बढ़ोगे।
internet decides something, it feels like nothing you say after that really matters. And for months, people who don't know me, I saw them talking about me like they knew my entire life. I watched rumors
अच्छा हुआ भाई, वंशज भाई से पहले कम बैक कर लिया तुमने।
into facts, assumptions turn into narratives, and allegations turn into my identity. A lot of people were very
Allegations?
supportive. They told me just ignore it, don't pay
With
much
screenshot.
attention to it, time will fix it, don't respond.
स्क्रीनशॉट्स आए थे ब्रो।
But nobody really talks about what it feels like to live through this in real time. To go to sleep and wake up every day knowing that your name is being discussed like this somewhere online. Knowing that people are judging your character based on incomplete information. Knowing some people have already made up their minds before I could even speak. And the truth is, that kind of changes you a lot. When everything happened, I stayed silent. Not because I was guilty. Not because I had nothing to say. I really thought people would wait. I really thought fairness still existed. People would at least consider me to be a
People
human.
is not waiting for you, bro. If you have something to say, say.
Thought people would care about
और इसने
facts
व्हाइट कपड़े नहीं पहने।
for destroying someone's reputation like this. But the internet doesn't really work that way anymore. People react first, they investigate later. And sometimes they don't investigate at all. And that's exactly what happened in my situation. One of the hardest parts wasn't even the allegations themselves. It was how quickly people made up their minds and became comfortable reducing my name into a headline, a YouTube title, a trending topic. Like suddenly years of who I was as a person no longer mattered. My work didn't matter, my character didn't matter, the kind of content that I made for you didn't matter, my intentions didn't matter. No,
बिकॉज समटाइम्स व्हेन यू डू सम, मतलब बहुत बड़ी गलती कर देते हो तो नथिंग मैटर्स ब्रो। देयर आर पीपल हु आर रेडी टू जज यू।
it felt like people only saw the worst thing attached to my name, be it false. It doesn't matter. And that's a horrible feeling. Because when your name gets stained publicly like this, you start questioning everything, bro. Everything. Your friendship.
भाई बहुत टाइम तुमने एक ही चीज बोली है, अब मूव ऑन करो, आगे बताओ हमें।
Your future, your confidence, your identity. There were days I genuinely isolated myself from everyone. I stopped enjoying things I used to love. I haven't made a single track in the last 6 months. I overthought every single decision, be it online, be it in my personal life. I became hyper aware of how people viewed me. And the worst part about public allegations is that even if they're false, yeah, the damage still feels real. That is the part people don't understand. People think once something like this
डैमेज विल ऑलवेज बी रियल इफ यू आर नॉट।
cleared up, life magically returns back to normal. No, mentally, emotionally, socially, everything changes. And that's what I've experienced in the last 6 months. Your relationships change. The way people look at you changes. And sometimes the hardest part to recover isn't your reputation, to be honest. It's your peace. It's your peace. There's also something deep
अबे आगे अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करो, ये क्या बात कर रहे हो?
about being misunderstood by the people you genuinely loved, you genuinely cared about, people you thought knew your heart, people you thought and expected to stand beside you no matter what, people you would have taken a bullet for. Everything changed. Because situations like this honestly reveal.
Yes, I know the situation. Move on. Talk about yourself. क्या तुम पे जो आरोप लगे थे वो सही थे, गलत थे, क्या थे, उसके बारे में बात कर लें हम। 8 मिनट की वीडियो में 2.550 3 मिनट लगभग तुमने यही बकवास की है।
The side of human nature that is very hard to accept. A lot of people can support you when life is easy, when everything's going smooth, when you're at your peak. But the second things become uncomfortable or overwhelming, when your name carries controversy, or when associating with you becomes risky, that support disappears very quickly. And I'm not saying this with anger. Honestly speaking, I have moved past anger. Those days are gone. Now I just see things differently, more realistically. Also, I want to say this very clearly. I'm not making this video to attack anyone, to expose anyone. I'm not doing any of that. I made a video last year stating that I'm going to leave commentary, and I'm still sticking to that decision, by the way. I'm not here to send hate, and I'm not going into every private detail publicly because genuinely speaking, some things really don't belong on the internet. But I also reached a point where staying silent started feeling like allowing the internet to write my story for me. And I couldn't keep doing that, man. Also,
so why you make the video, bro, if you're not going to explain your audience कि तुम गलत नहीं थे, तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा ऐसा गलत हुआ था, so why the fuck you making this video, man?
Something mentally exhausting about carrying allegations that don't represent who you really are. Especially when people only see clips, screenshots, rumors, or opinions without context. There is a big difference between facts and hearsay. The one thing that I've realized is that...
So what facts you are present करो ना भाई हम लोग के ऊपर.
Rarely gives people a chance to be human anymore. Everything is just black and white. Villain or victim. Good or evil. Loved or hated. And once people emotionally...
Hell, हाँ bro, मैं बस एक बच्चे का रोना सुनने आया हूँ भाई.
commit to a narrative, whether it be false, it becomes very difficult to change their minds. Changing their minds becomes nearly impossible, and I had to learn that the hard way without having done anything. But strangely, this entire experience made me change in ways I never expected. It forced me to grow up, and it forced me to grow up fast. It forced me to understand that repetition can disappear overnight. Don't get too attached. And most importantly, it forced me to build a relationship with myself, with faith, and with reality. Because when everything external becomes unstable, you either collapse completely or you discover a version of yourself you have never met before. And honestly speaking, no filter, I'm keeping it very real. There were moments I almost collapsed, wanted to end everything for myself. Real moments. Moments where I questioned everything. Everything. But I'm still here, I'm still standing, still breathing, still rebuilding, and still trying. And I think that matters. To anybody watching this video who has ever been falsely judged,
ब्रो क्यों हमें नहीं सुनना था, हमें ये सुनना था कि मैं जो तुम पे बोला गया था, जो तुम्हारे ऊपर आरोप लगे थे, क्या वो सही थे या गलत थे, हमें ये सुनना था, हमें और कुछ नहीं सुनना था ब्रो।
this, like my situation, or publicly humiliated when it comes to such sensitive things, I just want you to know, do not let public opinion become your identity. This was just a social media trial. Because on social media, people only see fragments, not the whole picture, not the reality. And no matter how loud the
भाई हम तो भूल गए थे कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ भी था, इसने दोबारा से हमें याद दिला दी कि कुछ हुआ था इसके साथ।
comes, it still does not define your soul, your worth, your future, you. I know some people watching this video still believe whatever they want to, and honestly, you can still unsubscribe me, hate in the comments, go ahead, you can leave. I can't force people to understand me, I can't control.
भाई मैं तो तुमको सब्सक्राइब नहीं करता था, बट ऐसा करने पे तो बहुत से लोग तुम्हें कर देंगे, जो तुम्हारे सपोर्टर थे, जो तुमको सुनना चाहते थे कि हाँ क्या तुम गलत हो कि नहीं इस चीज में, तो वो तो करेंगे ब्रो।
Opinion. But most importantly, man, I can't spend my entire life trying to prove my humanity to strangers online. Eventually, you just have to live, heal, and move forward. As for me, I'm choosing peace now. I'm choosing growth. I'm choosing to continue creating, continue building, continue fighting, and continue living my life instead of being trapped in one chapter forever. Because I refuse to believe that one painful season can define an entire person. And I refuse to let the worst period of my life be the only thing attached to my name. To the people who stayed fair, to the people who waited patiently, especially my audience that did not pick sides and at least waited till I spoke up, who supported me privately, who treated me like a human instead of entertainment. Thank you. Seriously, you have no idea how much that meant to me, especially during that phase.
So boring video, so boring.
And to the rest, I genuinely hope, and please take this in a good way, I genuinely hope teaches you the importance of fairness before certainty. Because being falsely judged like this is a pain you truly never understand.
कितनी बार बोलेगा, तूने एक चीज प्रूफ की कि तुझे गलत प्रूफ किया गया था, तूने एक भी हम लोग को दिखाया कि तुझे गलत बताया गया था, कुछ भी दिखाया, हमें प्रूफ दिए तूने, तो क्यों बार बार? किसी के बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता भाई।
Happens to you. And I really hope and pray that nobody ever gets to go through something like this, bro. Not even my worst enemies. I don't wish for this on anyone. A lot of people ask me why I left the country. I had to leave the environment because my life was in danger. Please try to understand the depth, the situation that I was actually in.
Since my location was...
A lot of controversies have happened before that. I have never walked out. But when it has come to my life, obviously I'm going to save my life instead of coming online and trying to justify or prove you anything. आप मेरी जगह पे होते आप क्या करते? जब आपको constantly death threats वगैरह मिल रहे हैं, अब आप बोल दो कि victim card है. Bro, I'm telling you this. I'm not making this video for any of you to feel sorry for me. You can call it victim card. It's fine. You guys have already done that shit. Because I did address this situation somewhere or the other in my broadcast. I did raise questions. जिसके मेरे को आज तक जवाब मिले नहीं, to be honest. People believed one side of the story. When I finally started speaking up, everyone backed off. Nobody made that kind of noise they made when the allegations were made on me. But when I countered, everyone stayed silent. Why? And one of the biggest reasons I stayed silent back then was
कहाँ
because
है वो सब? हमने तो नहीं देखे।
I didn't want my voice to get lost in the noise. This was a very sensitive thing, a very big allegation to put on someone who has not done this. I can never do such a thing. Please do not do this to someone. It can really ruin someone's life. And real victims suffer because of these things. Bro. Please, there are a lot of healthy ways to gain attention to get that limelight. Don't use such things. I request. And I'm going to say this very clearly, not for anyone, but for myself. I am not the person the internet portrayed me as. And I can never do such a thing.
भाई 8 मिनट हमारे बर्बाद कर दिए, 8 मिनट इसने हमारे बर्बाद कर दिए, जस्ट सेइंग ऑल दिस कि हमने ऐसा किया, हमने कोई प्रूफ नहीं, कुछ नहीं। भाई कैसे कोई बिलीव करेगा तुम पे? कोई कैसे बिलीव करेगा आप पे ब्रो, जब आप ऐसे ऐसे बोलोगे? ओ चीटिंग वाला शायद इस पे लगा था यार, पता नहीं मुझे।